here to make a clicking game in Scratch in under 3 minutes. So let's get coding.
Never break, always fight.
So let's divide this into 3 steps. Step 1 is to create your backdrop. Step 2, create the sprites. Step 3, code the sprites.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is to write the heading for our project. So let's just say clicking game. Okay, now that we wrote that, let's quickly choose a backdrop, okay? You can choose any backdrop you like. I'm going to be going with the blue sky. Let's get our sprites, okay? You can choose any sprite you would like. Okay? So I'm just going to go with the balloon. Here is my sprite balloon. Okay, now let's code our sprite. When green flag clicked, forever. Now forever, this is like a loop block, okay? Forever, let's go to motions block, go to random position, and wait 1 second. When the sprite is clicked, let's make it say, make a sound like this. Make a variable. Okay, remember what a variable is? It keeps track of your score. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so then you can say change score by 1 and when the green flag is clicked, you have to set your score to 0.